I'm going to show you how to supplement your income as a stay-at-home mom. And then I'm going to open up my business to show you the exact layout of what I did to earn additional income from home. And a really cool thing about this is that the platform or the path, the business model that I'm going to be showing you and the program I'm going to be showing you will help allow you to make money in just about anything you want to sell online in the future. So stay tuned to the end because I think this is something that really has the potential to help change your outlook of earning money online. I'm the real Robin Williams. If you don't know who I am, I'm going to jump right into this video. But before I do that, I'm just going to be transparent with you. I'm not going to be one of those other YouTubers that tell you that I'm going to help you earn money right now on this video, because the reality is I can't get all of that information out to you in a way that you can understand, in a way that you have support. So at the top of the video, in the description, it will be a link that you can click on, and that link will lead you to this page. Learn how to profit from this nearly done for you business so that you can quickly focus on building cash for your family and do it in as little as 2 hours per day. You can put your name, email in there and submit, and you will get that video sent straight to your inbox. Also, I'll be sending you more information to help you understand this concept if it's new to you, or maybe you just don't understand something about it. The business model I'm going to be telling you about is affiliate marketing, and whether you know something about it or not, stay tuned in this video because most people do not have the opportunity to see what I'm about to reveal to you here. And there's a lot of hype online. So there's a lot of hype about make money fast and whatever it is that they're promising, make $500 in the next hour, or how I made $300 in 2 minutes, just ridiculous stuff out there. The fact is there is a way to make money online. You just have to know how to do it, what to do it. And sometimes it's hard to know what you're getting when you're on these platforms. So I'm going to introduce something to you that was introduced to me almost 9 years ago, and I've been making money with them ever since. It's called the Home Business Academy, and this company was directly responsible for me going from barely making any sales online to making consistent sales on platforms like YouTube and Facebook. All affiliate marketing is the ability to make money selling other people's product. And what I love about this company is that it has one of the #1 tools that business owners need, and I'm able to resell that product. So whether you decide to get started and resell these products here with the Home Business Academy, or whether you're selling physical products online, you'll be able to dive into this training and get the tools that you need in order to get results. So the Home Business Academy is simply a digital marketing platform that will allow you to get the right training and point you to the right tools that you need to build your business. So the cool thing about this is that it does give you the opportunity to make money with the platform and make money faster than doing things on your own, which is one of the things I really love about affiliate marketing. I do not have to create these pages I send to you over time. I do not have to create the products. I don't have to run the community groups or anything like that. All of that is done for you. Your customers actually get support. Once you point them to the product, if they decide to join, they can join. But what do I do all day to make money? So obviously you're probably looking to supplement your income as a mom. How do I know that? Well, one of the tools that this business had pointed me to was called vidIQ, and it's a tool that I can use to research what it is that people are searching online. Now, why is this important? Well, you came to this video for a reason. You're looking for a way to make some more income, and you're looking for a solution. Now, whether you choose a solution or not, I don't know, but all I know is that I can plant the seed and put the video right here for someone who is looking to supplement their income as a stay-at-home mom. So I looked this up, and this tool simply told me, yes, shoot the video, create the content on YouTube regarding this subject. And so all I did was open up my camera, talk a little bit about it, and then I can choose to point you to a solution, or I could just give you value, or I can ask you to subscribe. My channel is for anyone that want to supplement their income, which is why I can show this video to you, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, or a college dropout. You can implement this information and start to make money online. That is one of the reasons why I love affiliate marketing. It's one of the most duplicable systems if done correctly. Now, in this system, we show you step by step how to set up your foundation of your business, which is extremely important. We also go over the training that you'll need to get your business off the ground. So all that means is if you ever decided to join this company, you would simply go back here after your foundation is built, and you would look for a strategy, which this one that I'm using currently is called YouTube ranking. I did not invent this. I literally just went through the videos and it told me exactly what to do to reach you, the viewer. So that's all I did. And it's basically rinse and repeat. It sounds really simple, but it is a simple business. The hardest thing is having the discipline to show up to do what you have to do each day. So for instance, if you wanted to do YouTube as your strategy, there are other strategies if you don't like videos, but if you wanted to do YouTube, you can say, I have 5 steps I need to complete every day in my marketing. So whether you're marketing these products or a product of your own or a product of another affiliate company, you would just have to know the 5 steps to market those products. And maybe you don't have a whole bunch of time because obviously you have time that you need to spend with your family, take care of your family, make sure your kids are good to go. But if you have 5 tasks and not a whole bunch of time, Monday through Friday, you can do just one of those tasks. And by the end of the week, you'll have, let's say, one full video completed. And then once you complete that video, you simply do it again. That's all this affiliate marketing is. And there are other little tiny steps that you have to take outside of just saying you have to take 5 steps. But my point is, this is the most simplest business that allows the average stay-at-home mom to make money. And I believe if you follow the steps, once you get inside of the system, it can help you too. If you have any questions, you can definitely drop them below on this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to grab the video on getting more information on how you can simply supplement your income using this affiliate marketing program. I'm The Real Robin Williams. I see you on the top.